Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and we are going to be talking about butterflies. Are you ready? Butterflies come in many different colors and sizes. Did you know there are over 17,000 different kinds of butterflies in the world? A butterfly is an insect, which means he has 6 legs, 2 antennae, 4 wings, and 2 body parts. Each wing is covered in many tiny scales. Butterflies drink nectar flowers using their proboscis, which is a little bit like a straw. And the nectar is the juice, which is really sweet, that you find inside a flower. Butterflies start out as eggs. Mother butterflies lay the eggs on leaves. Butterfly eggs can come in many sizes, shapes, and colors too. Soon the egg will hatch. The caterpillar eats a hole in the shell and wiggles out. Now the caterpillar will eat the rest of the shell, then lots of leaves. When caterpillars grow too big for their skin, they shed the old skin, just like a snake. After about 2 weeks, the caterpillar will hang upside down from a stick to rest. Soon, a hard chrysalis will form around the caterpillar. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar is changing into a butterfly. And a chrysalis is like a hard shell. The chrysalis begins to shake and the butterfly breaks out. The wings are wet, so it waits for them to dry. Once the wings are dry, it will fly away. That's pretty cool, friends. And just like all of our insect friends that we have talked about so far, butterflies start as eggs. So let's look a little bit more into the life cycle of a butterfly. The life cycle of a butterfly. They start out as an egg, then they become a caterpillar. They will form their chrysalis and emerge as a butterfly. And in your learning packets, friends, you have one last page about the life cycle of a butterfly. And down at the bottom, we have the butterfly, we have the egg, we have the chrysalis, and we have the caterpillar. So remember, our life cycle goes egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and butterfly. Now let's take a closer look at what a butterfly looks like. So here's a close-up picture. We have the butterfly's wings, their eyes, their antenna. The upper part of their body is the thorax, and the bottom part is their abdomen. And in your learning packets, you have a blank butterfly picture that you can fill in. We have wings, antenna, legs, and body. Do you think you can match the words with the different parts on the picture? Remember, wings, antenna, thorax, abdomen. We talked about how butterflies come in many different sizes and colors, and I wanted to introduce you to a few types of butterflies that you may even see around your backyard or in your local park. We have 2 different blue guys. We have the papilio butterfly and the blue morpho butterfly. This yellow guy up here is called the sulfur butterfly. And there's another yellow butterfly called the swallowtail. And this guy's pretty cool. He's called the buckeye. And if you look really closely at his wings, friends, you can even see what looks like eyeballs on his wings. This beautiful butterfly is the painted lady. This one is the heliconius butterfly, and this guy is called the monarch butterfly. And he is probably the one that you recognize the most because we see a lot of monarch butterflies around here. And a cool fun fact about butterflies, friends, is the decoration they have on their wings is what they use to help camouflage or hide themselves from other animals that may want to eat them. And when we were talking about insects a couple days ago, we were saying that animals that eat other animals are called predators. So a butterfly uses their wings to help protect them from predators that may want to eat them. Another fun fact about butterflies is their wings are symmetrical, meaning it's the same pattern on each side. So here we have a little playful butterfly, and it's just one half of him, and you can see on his wing, it's outlined in pink. There's some yellow in the middle, and then a little bit more pink in the very, very middle. And then if we pull up his other half, you would notice that it's the same pattern on the other side, outlined in pink, a little yellow in the middle, and then even more pink inside. Or how about this butterfly? He's outlined in blue, has a little bit of purple and yellow on the middle, and if we pull up his other half, you would notice that his wings match. The ones on this side are outlined in blue and have a little bit of purple and yellow in the middle. And in your learning packets, friends, you actually have your own blank butterfly that looks like this. And I would love to see if you can create symmetrical wings, meaning what you put on one side is the same as what you put on the other side. You also have 2 of these cards in your learning packets as well. And this is good practice too for creating the same pattern you see on this side on the blank side. So for this butterfly, you would want to make stripes just like you see on this half. Or over on this butterfly, it's polka dots on the top half and stripes on the bottom. Do you think you can fill in your butterflies to make the blank side the same as the other side? I can't wait to see the butterflies that you guys come up with. So let's review what we've learned, friends, about butterflies. They're a type of insect. They have 2 antennas. They have 4 wings. They have a thorax and an abdomen. They have 6 legs, and they can come in many different colors and sizes. But their wings are symmetrical, meaning what's on one set of wings is repeated on the other set of wings. I hope you had fun learning a little bit more about butterflies, and don't forget to keep an eye out for butterflies when you're playing outside with your family. Have a good one, friends. Bye.